Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing well in this lockdown and corona, and hope you all got vaccinated as well. Today I'm here to express and share some of my views on the things that I got from my company called Cognizant. Say they offered me so many things like there one is laptop and another is, there are so many different accessories related with that, and one is it is USB 3 Ethernet adapter. It is a accessories which is used to convert to convert the signals from gigabyte Ethernet cable to the USB port. If your system having not any Ethernet port, so you can use this one, and this is very useful for if you want a good internet connection on your system and you're not having right now, so you can use this device. It is of RAS company, and its tagline is Rise and Shine. It is a very good product which is beneficial for you to get a good bandwidth on your system. Okay, along with that I got this HDMI to VGA converter. Generally in our systems there is a VGA adapter and in the CPU as well, in a laptop as well. Okay, but in VGA the video quality that we get in a video is not that much clear. So there is a HDMI port which is given in our system. Okay, so this is used to convert the this is used to convert like VGA data into HDMI data. So you will be able to get a clear picture of everything whatever you want from your in your system through the CPU. So whatever the data which is coming from the CPU in the monitor, it will be in a complete clear. So it is a very good device to for your use, and it will definitely help you. It's of Black Eye company, and this product having a 3 years of warranty, and you can use till 3 years, and if there is any problem you can contact with the customer care and you will get the resolution for that. So that is a very good product. Okay, and this one is HP USB mouse. This is a USB mouse. Okay, and this is a very portable mouse. Generally I got this from the along with the HP laptop, and there's so many functions in that, like scrolling of the pages when you use the when you are using the system and you are having trouble in scrolling the pages. So generally we toggle our mouse here and there, but this consists of a rolling pad which helps you to good navigation of your web pages. So it is a very good product. It is from HP, and another is it is a headset which is provided by the HP as well. It is a wired headset. It is not that much good, but yeah, it is for your temporary use it is very beneficial. Like for those who work on a private sector, on a call center, who they are requiring to take calls on a regular basis if they are working on a call center. So this headphone is very useful for them. In this lockdown, so many people are working from home, and all those things that we're doing in the office, like in the call center, they're supposed to do these things in the home. So this headphone is very useful for them, and they can use this. And it is from HP. Okay, so it is not that much good, but it is reliable, that you can use for a it will work good for you. It is a very cheap cost, and it will work for a long. Yeah, so that is a good thing for use. So you can use that one also. And along with that, I got a laptop bag. This is the HP original laptop bag. Okay, so that is a very it seems so expensive, and it seems like there are so many things. There's lots of space given in this bag, and as I can see, you have they're given some spaces for the putting some purse, pen, and along with that the space for the laptop. Obviously this is a laptop bag, so there should be a space for the laptop, and the space for the laptop is given here, and along with that there one more space is also there. It is a zip where you can put your some useful 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 things, whatever you want, your own accessories that you want, like the phone charger, headphone, these things you can put there also. And there is that much more space in there where you can put your clothes wherever you are traveling for 1 or 2 days. So that is a very spacious bag that HP has provided us, and this is the original bag from HP. Okay, and there is also space for putting your water bottle in that. In the summers we usually get thirsty, in a very easily, So it is a very useful thing. It is a very spacious bag and very expensive one, but I got this from HP as a free. So yeah, and there's one more space is there, as I can see. It is a space for, I think it is for like putting maybe some headphone and Bluetooth. Okay, so the space is it is a very spacious bag and very comfortable, that one. And these ropes which is given in the behind of this bag are very thick and very spongy, so you will not feel any burden on your chest and your shoulder, and your body should be in a straight position, and you will feel not much heavy in that bag. So it is a very very good bag. So yeah, I got this from Cognizant, so thank you Cognizant for this precious gift. I really appreciate that one. Yeah. And now the final one. This is the HP laptop that I got from Cognizant. So I'm really very thankful to Cognizant that they have provided me such a huge gift. Not a gift obviously, but it is for my working process. So yeah, it is required for my work. So but thank you by the way that you provided me this one. And in this laptop it is actually, let me tell you about this laptop first. Okay, so as I can see, it is a HP EliteBook 845 G7. Okay, and having a configuration of 8 GB RAM and internal memory is that. Let me see in the inside what is that. And in this box, I got so many things, like one is the adapter for the laptop. Okay, and as I can see, the adapter is. It's a 65 watt adapter charger, and it supports fast charging. Okay, as you can see, it is a very fast charging adapter. And along with that, I got the power cable of adapter to do my charging for the laptop. And let me see, there is here we go. And this is the final thing that I really got, and this is the thing. It is sealed now. Okay, let me open that one. Yeah. So finally, this is my HP laptop. This is my first laptop that I got from. This is my first laptop. So thanks Cognizant for this one. And I'm opening this one. Okay. So this is a very very attractive one, as you can see in the video. Okay, so there are so many features are given in this laptop, and it is a HP EliteBook Bang and Olufsen. Okay, and there are so many features in this laptop, as we can see. Like there is a fingerprint given in this laptop. So if a person's having security issues, who think that their password are not that much secure, so you can use your fingerprint to open this laptop. And it is fully secure laptop, and it is, as you can see, this is the fingerprint position where you can use the fingerprint to open this laptop. There are so many ports given in that one. Okay, and there are two C type port given for your laptop fast charging, that you can use your phone chargers as well to charge this laptop, like those chargers which supports the fast charging and having a C type port. And one is HDMI cable given in this laptop, HDMI cable. Okay, HDMI port, where you can share your data from laptop to the other devices. Like if you are using a smart TV and you want to display all those data from the laptop to the TV, or maybe if you're willing to watch some movies on the TV, but those things are in your laptop, so you can use this HDMI cable to to send all those data to using this HDMI port. So it is very useful. Along with that, there is a power cable to charge the laptop, and along with that, there are two USB ports given for your like use for the mouse and the wireless mouses devices or pen drive, whatever you have to fetch the data. And now and along with that, there is a one headphone jack, okay, and one HC port that is used for putting your SD card to a card to fetch all those data which you want to use, okay. And the mouse pad is also very comfortable, very smooth, okay. As you can see, mouse pad is very smooth, and there's two buttons given in there, and that like the keypad of this laptop is very smooth, and like you don't feel that it is a key, you're pressing any key, like it seems like very smooth. You don't feel any sound when you will press these keys. And it also given a web camera, and along with that, two mics, okay. So you can use this for video calls during the meetings, and to talk to someone in a video conference call. So it is a very good thing. As let me show you how it looks like. Yeah, so this is a very premium laptop. So yeah, and there's speaker given in this behind. There's speakers in this portion, so you will get a very good sound in this laptop whenever you will listen any music or watch movies. So if you think that you are not having, you will not get a good speaker in this laptop, but you're thinking wrong, you will get a good speaker in that. The sound quality is very good. I will when I will open this one, I will show you how it sounds like. And the screen of this laptop supports like screen touch, okay. So if you want to use this laptop as a tablet, you can use that one also. It's your choice, okay. So it supports touch screen also. So I will suggest you to if you are willing to buy a laptop of of the range of 70,000, I'll prefer you to choose this one, and it will be very worthful for you to use this laptop, okay. So yeah, this is a very great experience to explore these laptops to all of you guys, and I hope you will like this video. And if you will like, you will subscribe to my channel, and I'll appreciate you to do all those things, whatever you want. And I will hope that you will support my channel as well, and subscribe to my channel, and give likes, and show some love, and give some comments, whatever you want, whatever think that how this video has gone. So please give me the suggestion from your side. So thank you.